Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. This is Anand. A lot of people have asked me about how I make my videos. Is there a particular camera that I use? Is there a particular software that I use to make and edit my videos? I'll answer all those questions today. But before I do that, I would like you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already, and also press the bell icon. It will help you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you. For creating these videos, I need 2-3 different things. One is content, of course, what I'm going to speak, from where is that content going to come. Second is the camera, the setting, okay, the background and all of that. So these are some basic things that I need, okay, and then you need a software to edit, put it all together. Okay, so I'll answer all these things one by one. As you already know, I have a lot of content built myself. I have written a lot of articles and question answers on Quora and other websites and my blogs. So that way I have my own content which is ready. But then for presenting, I have to keep the key things in my mind. So I have to just directly look into the camera and speak my mind out based on the theme of the day. So there's nothing in front of my eye, there's nothing written in front of me right now when I'm speaking that I can read it line by line. Okay, so when I make these videos, I have to do a lot of takes and retakes, okay, which is basically the raw material that I create, and then I have to go to a video editor and edit all of this. All right, so the content is already available, written by me. I have to just speak it through in an organized manner, maybe 3-4 times, and then go and edit it and put it all together. The second most important thing after content is phone. So I don't use any fancy phones. I just have this very simple phone like this, a Samsung phone for selfie cameras and front cameras and back cameras. So I generally use the front camera because when I'm speaking, it makes me more comfortable, gives me more confidence to see me on the screen. Okay, so I use the front camera. Now, other than this, I have a tripod, okay, on which I place the mobile in front of me. There's nobody in the room right now to assist me, so I'm doing everything on my own. So there's a tripod on which I place this mobile. These tripods are pretty common these days, available on Amazon, and I got it from Amazon. After the content and the mobile and the tripod, the next thing that I need is a mic. So I have this mic, okay, this mic I have bought again from Amazon. I connect this mic to my phone while I'm speaking, so all the audio is captured in a very good way. So these are the very basic things that I'm using. It's not fancy at all. You don't even need a tripod to keep your camera in front of you. If you have a solid surface in front of you, you can just place your mobile there and capture it. So tripod is optional. As far as the background is concerned, I don't have a green screen yet. I have to get one. Right now it is just the wall that you see in the background with white paint. There's nothing else. Okay, the only thing probably which I do at the time of recording is adjust the brightness of my camera. So when I am shooting the video, I've just turned the brightness a bit on so it looks more bright than what it is. But that's all. I mean, yeah, it's very basic stuff here. There's nothing fancy. I'm planning to get a green screen and then probably I can change the background. Alright guys, so if you want to do it for yourself, you can do it as well. Only thing that you need to be careful of is that you have enough content. You have a room where you are not disturbed, where you can spend some time doing the shooting. And I think the majority of time after the shooting actually goes into editing. So there are two important aspects. One is the scripting part, which is your content in terms of what you're going to speak, and the other is the editing, okay, to take all the ahs and ums and pauses and everything out of your speech, okay, and then add all those animations and anything that is required. So for that you need a software. I'm using Camtasia Studio, but you can use anything. There are a lot of softwares available on the internet, and in the description I'll give you links for all of these things that I'm using: the mobile phone, the software, the tripod, the mic and everything. So if you want to get it from the Amazon or get it from the market, you can do that. I thought it was good to share this information because a lot of people were curious about it. It's not at all a big setup, it is just normal. And I hope it will motivate you to do something of this sort as well if needed. Okay, that's it for today. I'll take your leave now. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I'll see you next week. Thank you for signing in. Bye.